Hello and welcome to Shopping Charleston. My name is Kristen Hackler and today we're at the Vories Medical Group located off of Long Point Road in Mount Pleasant, and we'll be speaking with Dr. Michael Vories about his hair restoration procedure. And we're here with Dr. Vories at the only full-service surgical hair restoration clinic in South Carolina. Dr. Vories, it's very nice to meet you.
You too, Kristen.
Thank you. So can you tell me a little bit about this procedure, the whole hair restoration?
Well, sure. We've had a lot of evolution in this procedure over the past 3 or 4 years, certainly since we've been here in Charleston. And the big news that is coming out is grafts are getting smaller and smaller. And as our grafts are getting smaller and smaller, and we're getting down to the individual hair follicle, the results are getting more and more natural. And so we're getting that perfect combination between density and naturalness. And with that combination, we're seeing an explosion in hair surgery throughout the country.
And we're here in the consulting room. Dr. Vories, what goes down here?
Well, it all happens here. This is where we bring patients in for our complimentary consults. And I like doing all the consults myself. I think that established the patient-physician relationship. And so we all do the consults here. We do a full evaluation of the patient in terms of their hair loss history, the physical exam, in terms of their hair loss pattern, which is so important. And then we do a comb through, and we actually use machines here that calculate hair density, how much hair they have in their donor bank, and how much hair that we can actually put up on top to give them that full natural look.
We can actually go through the whole procedure here. So
right.
As we were talking about before, that you can actually perform the entire procedure in this building.
Right. We do all of our procedures here on site.
And we're here in the patient's lounge where families can wait while the patient is having their hair finished. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, we developed this patient lounge because we recognize that patients have families, and the families are going to want to stay with the patient. Again, we're taking breaks so they can interact with the patient even during the procedure.
And this is the procedure room. It seems very comfortable.
Yes, we designed it this way. We wanted a very natural home type of environment. Even though this has all the equipment of an OR room, we want it very comfortable for the patient.
And I guess there's several questions that people have when they first call you asking about the procedure. One of them I know is very popular. Is it painful?
Right, and we get that question a lot, Kristen, and the best answer to that question is to compare it with other procedures, such as going to the dentist. All of our patients say that this procedure is less painful or less unpleasant than going to the dentist.
So, Dr. Vories, how much would this procedure actually cost?
Well, like any other cosmetic procedure, the price of it varies upon the procedure itself. The most common procedure that we do is at $5,000, which we do in-house financing down to $150 a month. That is the most common. We price our procedures based upon zones that we're covering, whether it's the hairline or the mid-scalp or the crown. It's really based upon how much of the area are we covering.
All right. Well, thank you, Dr. Vories, for your time. It's been wonderful to meet you.
You too.
And thank you very much.
All right.